Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our channel. Today's video, let's learn how we can reset the US Bank online password. First and foremost, what you have to do is you have to launch a browser and then go for usbank.com. Once done, you will get landed onto their official website. Here you will see a page like this. Select login on your top right hand side. Now as you do that, it will ask you for your account details, for example, your username or password. And what you have to do is select forgot username or password directly without entering any information at the above section. And once you do so, make sure that you at least have your account number with yourself before you send a reset link. Simply type in your username or personal ID and select continue. If you do not know your username, select this below button and select a way that they will help you look up your information, either via phone or email. If you do remember your username or personal ID, enter that, select continue. And likewise, follow the on-screen prompt, and this is how you'll be able to reset your password.